Hey, welcome back to 1 Minute Excel. Today we're going to look at two formulas that are very helpful for editing data pretty quickly. The trim and proper formula. And for each formula, you basically just type out the formula and select the cell that needs editing. The trim formula will remove spaces that are ahead of the data. So if we look over here, you can see the data is kind of all over the place. So by using the trim, we'll be able to remove those spaces ahead of and following the words in question there. The proper formula will go ahead and capitalize the letters at the start of all of these words, these names in this case. So if we go to an example here, we're going to type equals trim, and we're going to select the name. Go ahead and lock the cell by hitting F4 3 times. Close parentheses. So you can see if we copy that down, it removed the spaces. Now, if we do proper on its own, proper, open parentheses, select the cell, hit F4 3 times to lock it, you can see it capitalized the names, but it didn't remove the spaces. So what we can do is a combination where we can do a trim, open parentheses, and a proper, and the order doesn't matter if you needed to inverse those. Select the cell, hit F4 3 times to lock it, close parentheses twice, that'll close out both formulas. And here you can see now we get a nice combination of both the editing in terms of capitalizing the name and removing any spaces. And then for state, we can see here we only need to remove the spaces, so we just need a trim formula in this case. Select the cell, hit F4 3 times to lock it, close it down. So sometimes you may need a combination, and sometimes you may need one or the other. And that is a trim and proper formula.